Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you why you cannot see the SMS Instagram sends you as a two-factor authentication method, and we'll be going over some different solutions to this problem, why you're not able to see the SMS. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to check is your Instagram contact info. Maybe you have the wrong phone number selected on there, so you're not able to see the SMS. So to fix that, go onto your phone, launch the Instagram app, tap on the profile tab on the top right, then hit the three-line menu on the top right corner, and then hit Account Center, pick Personal Details, and then go into your contact info. Now you can check if the phone number is current and if you're actually using that phone number, or maybe you changed your phone number and that's why you can't access the SMS anymore. Next, you want to check that the SMS authentication is actually on, because you can use other methods of two-factor authentication on Instagram, such as maybe some Google Authenticator app, but you want to check that SMS is turned on so you're able to check for the SMS. So launch your Instagram app again and go into the profile tab, same thing, and then hit the three-line menu on the top right corner, same thing, and this time select Account Center and tap on Password and Security. Now pick two-factor authentication and select your Instagram account, and then hit SMS or WhatsApp so you get the code sent to your phone number and not to the Authenticator app. If that is all correct, then you might want to check if Instagram is down. Maybe there's some bug with the application. You can check that on downdetector.com. That's the website we usually recommend. You can check if Instagram is actually down. Next, something that may happen in very rare cases is that Instagram may have blocked you. This happens because maybe you violated the community guidelines, maybe you were creating multiple spam accounts or using bots, then your Instagram account might be blocked. They usually block this by your IP address. So what you can try to do to still get into the account is use a VPN, a virtual private network, because that reroutes your IP, and then you can still maybe log into Instagram, but they are known for blocking VPNs as well, so they know this IP address, that it belongs to a VPN service, so you're not able to use that. But you can try this, maybe it helps using a VPN, or you can use another phone number. If you have another phone number, maybe they blocked your phone number as well. So that's two things you can try if Instagram may have blocked you, but this is really rare, so very uncommon that this happens. What is more common with some people is that you actually accidentally maybe blocked Instagram's account number. So go into your phone settings, and there you can see your blocked accounts, and then you can check if you have the number of Instagram blocked. This number changed to 32099 recently. So you can check that. If you want to know how to do this in more detail, check out our article on how to block phone numbers on androidauthority.com. Now, another thing that can happen is that your phone settings are not set up right. Maybe you have your mobile data turned off. Maybe you have airplane mode toggled on. So we want to check that. First of all, how do you do this on Android? So on Android, you want to launch the settings app. Then you want to go into the network and internet settings and make sure airplane mode is toggled off. And to check if your mobile data is turned on, click on SIMs. That's right above airplane mode. Click on BAIT, and then you can check if the mobile data and roaming is actually turned on, so you can actually receive messages that way. Next, how do you do this on iPhone? This is also quite simple. So hop on over to your settings app, and then right at the top you can see airplane mode. Make sure that is not toggled on. Make sure that's not green, and that's toggled to the left. And then to check your mobile data, go on to cellular. That's right underneath airplane mode and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And then check if cellular data is actually on, and then you can click on that as well and make sure data roaming is turned on as well. That makes it so you can actually access everything no matter where you are. So that's some fixes why your Instagram might not be working, why you might not be able to log in. I hope this helped you out. I hope you got the message now from Instagram and you can log in normally. If you have any more questions, just comment down below, and make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you like this video.